So let's take a quick little walk, well, probably may not be all that quick, through how to create the packaging setup for closet modules using the prototype tool in FIS. Up here under prototypes, I can select module packaging and it brings up this screen. You have to start by identifying the module that you want to do. I happen to have this MSS 309614 that I'm going to set up. I put it in there, I hit enter, and it tells me that's a module shoe shelf. I need to find an image for it. If I go to the images library, I can look for the MSS in 96-inch height. And notice it's just the MSS and 96. It doesn't have the full nomenclature because it doesn't need it all. It shows a picture there and it fills it in. Now I've got my module ready. I click set module, and up here at the top you can see it has recorded that. Now I want to add a box. Well, I need to go and look first at this particular model. So I can go out here to where the labels are, find the MSS, find the 96s, find the 309614, and open it. It's opened over here. And I see that this has one box for a bunch of parts, and that box has a sub box in it. And then there's two other boxes for additional items. Let me see if I can move this a little bit out of the way so we can still see the screen. Nope, not really. Let's see. Get this out. Get this over here. So, the first thing I know that I need to do, oh, this is going to be annoying, is I need to add this box. See, it says box 1 right there. I need to add this box. So I click add box, and it wants to know this container description. That is this information down here at the bottom of it. What kind of container does it go into? And I'll use copy and paste a lot for this stuff because I don't want to type it all out. So I've entered what kind of container that is. I hit OK. I see that it filled it in. Now I'm ready to start adding items. If I go back over here, I see that there's an SF3014. So I say SF3014, I find it. It's a fixed shelf, I can see that. I can tell that it's supposed to have 2 of them. So I say quantity 2, I hit enter, and it adds it. So the hitting enter on the quantity is what adds it up here to the list. Now I know I need an SB3014. I do the same thing. Notice my cursor went to the quantity, but I only need 1 this time. So I type a 1 and I hit enter and it adds it. I need a TF30-3, enter, 1, enter, added. Now these things are not real parts. They're just kind of inventory items, and they'll be listed over here. So I'll say cam drop-ons. I need a cam drop-on, and notice it filled it in. I need, how many of those do I need? 8. Enter, it added them. I need the SMRTAs. They're on the list also. SMRTA, how many do I need? 2. Enter, they've been added. Now notice I've got this first section complete over here. They match up. This is another box. It's a kit that gets installed. It's a sub box. So if I say add the sub box, it says, oh, what do you want to call it? Well, it pre-fills in kit because that's by far and away the majority of them. It gives it a description. You hit enter, and it highlights it this way, and it adds that it's going to, well, you will see that it's in a sub box. This is where it goes really fast. Now I have part numbers over here. So where it says 19388 and I need 28 of them, I just type 19388, enter, quantity 28, enter. The next one is 19389. I need 6 of them, 19421. I need 16 of them. 15113. 2 of them. 17496. 8 of them. 19396. 4 of them. Now that's that box. We have all of the information from this portion of it entered. So we're going to need another box. If we go back over here to our PDF, we see that there's 2 more boxes for 2 more components. And it's this carton right here that's kind of going to define the new box. So I hit the add box, not the add sub box, add box. Add box, it wants to know what kind of carton it is. I put in the carton that I just copied out of it. And now it's incremented the box, it's on 2. So I can say, okay, what am I going to want? I'm going to need that shoe shelf, and I'll need 4 of them. And it highlighted in green. The first item of a new box gets highlighted in green. I need 8 more of these cams. So I go up here, I say quantity 8, I hit enter, and now I've got that box done. Now I need a third box. It's just like the second one. So when I hit add box, it's already got the right container in it. So I'll save that. And I do have to just go through it again. 4 of those. Cam drop on, 8 of those. So you can see I've got box 1, 2, and 3. Box 2's got a shelf. Box 3's got a shelf. Both of them have the cam drop-ons. Everything looks good to go. I hit save module. Clear the grid, yes. And I'm good to go. Now, perhaps I messed something up. I noticed it too late or somebody found out later. I can open up another module or the same one that we just did. It asks me, it tells me it's already done. Do I want to load it and overwrite it? And I'm going to say yes. And it loads everything back in there. If I needed to change something on this, I can double click this line and it'll ask me if I want to delete it. I'm not going to do that, but I can ask it. I'll say no. I can also change like the quantity. I didn't want 10 of those. I wanted 16 of them. So notice it's 16. I'll hit save the module. You want to clear the grid? Yes. Good to go. So sometime later I come back in here. Oops, not that. Sometimes later I want to come back in here. I need to look at my MSS 309614 again. It asks me if I want to open it up, and it's still got that 16 on there. But that's supposed to be an 8, we know that. So I'll replace it with an 8. Save the module. The module's been edited. That's the basics for how this works. It seems kind of fiddly, but once you get in the rhythm of putting images on it and getting it all set up, it goes fairly quickly. It just takes maybe a couple of minutes at the most for a complicated one. So there you go.